In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a logo on Weebly websites. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave browser, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you or you have it in your PC. As an example, you have the Microsoft Edge, the Google Chrome, Opera, Firefox, or even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So just go to that browser, and once it's opened, you will have to go to this URL section and simply type weebly.com and hit the enter button, and that will take you directly to the Weebly home screen or main screen website. So here you will have, of course, to log in into your account if you have one by clicking at this login at the top right corner. Once you click on it, you will have to fill your email or username, then of course enter your password. Or you can log in with your Facebook, Google, or even Square. Of course, if you don't have an account, you'll have to click instead of login into sign up at the top right corner again. And if you click on it, as you can see here, you will have to enter all this informations: first name, email, last name, confirm your email, create a password, then the local. Agree to their term of service. Then, of course, click at continue and you will have successfully created your account. So if you just created your account, they'll ask you, what kind of website would you like to create? And you need a website or a website with online store. So for you, choose whatever suits you. For me, as an example, I just need a website. And here, of course, you'll have to choose a theme and etc. and go through all of this alone if you want. And you will be good to go. So once you have your website ready, you'll have to publish your website, of course, in a web domain that you already have, or you can just go and buy one. You'll be good to go. So as we said in the beginning of this story, you would like to add a logo, go to this edit side if you want to, and click on it. Of course, just wait for this editor till it opens. Once you are here, go to the header of your page. Then as you can see off text or logo. As we said, we would like to have a new logo. For me, I already had the logo here. Of course, I can edit or delete it. So just edit as an example. That will open normally the files of our PC if we didn't have a logo. So let me just delete it. Let's remove. Now go and click on logo. As you can see, we'll have to upload something from our PC. So let's just upload. And once it's uploaded, you'll find it right there as the logo of your site once it's uploaded. As you can see, here's your logo and you'll be good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.